Now the audio that you're hearing currently, the audio that you're hearing, is the audio that you're hearing is the one coming out of the phone microphone. You switch on the camera and there's a built-in microphone. I've been using this for a very long amount of time, and I didn't really feel the need of a mic. After a lot of research, looking at tons of reviews on YouTube, I've seen people comparing this microphone with the Yeti. There's a huge price difference between the two microphones, and people saying that it's not far away from Yeti. We just ordered yesterday. Yeah, the beauty of Amazon, specifically Amazon Prime. Oh my god, it's completely disrupting the focus. Right, now we can begin with unboxing. I don't think I'm gonna need this box inside. It's probably the other way around. It's kind of broken. Why can't I remove this? It's a beautifully designed mic. Oh, it's like a Pokemon. Look, it just fits in perfectly. This is the mic, and inside the box there is also one more thing, which should be the stand. Okay, it's supposed to have a USB cable to connect and a stand and a user manual. Let's switch back to something that allows us to see or get a sense of the audio. So I can actually plug it into my PC to check it. Okay, so it's like a screw mechanism. It's pretty good. Just rotate it clockwise. I have so many different kinds of USB cables now. Feels really good. It's improving on my collection. So many different types of adapters and USB cables. Now I highly doubt that camera is still recording, because it doesn't seem to have a lot of memory in it. Okay, so there's this red color LED on the top. If this lights up, that means that the mic is on. Okay, so now we're recording into the Snowball Ice, and the audio that you're listening to right now is from the Snowball Ice. Additional things that I have to keep in mind is that the AC is switched on right now. The fan is switched on right now. So I'll just keep it here for a second. To the best of my capability, I've made everything in the surrounding really quiet. I'll be also showing to you the difference in audio, because while I'm recording the input of the mic into the PC, the audio is also getting recorded inside the camera. So I can do a side-to-side comparison, so we can do that and understand what kind of a difference the sound into the microphone is making. So yeah, this was the unboxing of Snowball Ice USB microphone. It's highly appreciated, and people really recommend this as the microphone that you should go for when starting off YouTube, especially when you're on a budget. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and I will see you with a lot more content coming very soon. I'm not giving out any spoilers right now, but the only thing that I can tell you, or I can let you know, is there is a lot that I'm planning to do, and it will soon be out as well. Let's pack up. And is it even recording? Oh, that is impressive.